This shoe right here, the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky, alongside the Syracuse colorway, really helped kickstart the dunk wave that began back in 2020. And now Nike has given us a long-awaited restock. Are these as good as the original? Let's find out. So I got them, the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky. These are a Dunk Low special edition. There are quite a few differences between these and your GR Dunks. We'll get into that. It did release alongside the Syracuse colorway, and these colorways, in my opinion, two of the nicest colorways ever on Dunk Lows. This Syracuse pair is actually my 2020 pair. You can see how beaten up they are, and that's because I absolutely love wearing these. Public service announcement, by the way, wear your shoes. So this time around, both of these colorways had a very different release method on the sneakers app. There wasn't a draw, there wasn't even a first come first serve release. Instead, this shoe released via exclusive access only. And at least here in Europe, according to the sneakers app, Nike was giving exclusive access to people who have had at least 10 Ls on Nike Dunk Lows in the past. I did give you guys my thoughts on this release method in my last video. You guys can check it out if you want up here. I didn't get exclusive access. I paid resale for my pair. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about Nike's new release method? And getting into the shoe, this pair right here, as far as the colorway goes, just a very simple, nice two-tone colorway with a very vibrant shade of blue that just really pops on feet. There is a reason why this shoe was reselling for more than $700 just a few months ago. This is one of the most coveted colorways on Dunks. Now, if you have been collecting quite a few Dunks over the last few years, you might be able to already tell that there are quite a few differences between the special edition Dunk and your GR Dunks that you see right here. This is the Argon colorway. The main difference is on the shape of the two shoes. So the special edition Dunk does have a higher cut on the ankle. And you'll also notice on the mudguard of the two shoes, you'll notice on this Kentucky pair how much higher that mudguard is compared to your regular GR Dunks. This Dunk right here is much more of a classic Dunk shape, something similar to the older versions of Dunks. And comparing the 2022 to the 2020 version, they are pretty identical in terms of looks. However, I did notice one slight difference, and that is on the swoosh. So you'll notice on the Syracuse pair, the swoosh is actually really low. It's very close to the midsole. I can't even really squeeze my finger in there. Whereas on this 2022 version, you'll notice there is much more space there between the swoosh and the midsole. But that's pretty much the only difference I've noticed, at least between the 2020 and the 2022 version when it comes to the shape. But what everyone really wants to know is, what about the quality? Did they give us that nice quality we saw on the 2020s? And the answer, thankfully, is yes. You get some really nice leather quality on this Dunk, a whole lot better than the GR Dunks that we're used to. Comparing the quality of the leather on the 2022 and this version, the leather feels just as soft. It's the type of leather that will age much better over time. This is actually the main reason why I don't own any general release Dunks in my personal collection, except this Argon colorway because it's a legendary colorway. But the quality on these pairs, honestly, this leather isn't even really leather. It's more of like a plastic and leather combination. It's just not very good quality. Now, I wanted to be clear when I say that the leather is good on this pair, and also pretty much any other sneaker I review on this channel, I mean that it's good compared to other shoes from that brand. I'm not trying to compare this to Gucci and Louis Vuitton leather. Like, this is pretty decent leather for a Nike release. It's much better than GR Dunks. It's much better than an Air Force One. In general, just compared to most Nike releases, this is pretty above average leather. Also on these Dunks, you get your regular cotton style laces, which is much appreciated. I'm sure you guys have noticed, like for example, the Panda Dunks, the laces that come with those pairs, they seem to be a little shiny looking. I don't know what the reason is behind it, but I'm glad that on the special edition Dunks, you get the nice cotton laces. With this pair, it also comes with a white pair of laces. And also, if you want to switch that out, I also threw on a couple of other different lacing options for you here. First, you have some regular flat style laces in this beige color, and I also threw on these SB style rope laces. Both of these laces you can get, of course, from my shop, Elevate Laces. Link is in the description. The SB laces, by the way, were just added to the shop, so make sure you guys get your pair. We do ship worldwide for a very affordable price. Moving on to sizing, for me, the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky fits perfectly true to size. It's the same size for me as Jordan 1s and a half size higher than an Air Force One. I have to say also from a sizing point of view, I love the way these shoes fit compared to your general release Dunks. The GR Dunks for me from a width point of view fit fine, but it does feel like there's a bit of extra room in the toe box area, whereas these Kentucky pairs and other special edition Dunks for me fit just perfectly at true to size. So I definitely appreciate how these fit more than your GR Dunks. Looking at resale prices of this shoe, as you can expect, the resale has definitely dropped on this pair, but it's actually kind of crazy to see by how much they've dropped. So just a few months ago, look at some of these previous sales of the Kentuckys. Just from earlier this year, we had sales in the high 600s, low 700s. And now they've dropped all the way to around $250, so that's a pretty huge drop. And honestly, we don't know when or if Nike will ever restock these nicer Dunks. So for me, at these prices, definitely a no-brainer in my opinion to cop these. If you were on the fence for a long time debating whether or not to pull the trigger on the Kentuckys or the Syracuse, well, the prices have dropped by almost 70%, so that is definitely awesome. If you guys are thinking of copying, by the way, I will leave some StockX links in the description. That is one way to help support the channel. So I'm very, very happy that Nike decided to bring these back. Really great colorways, nice shape, and you're getting some pretty good leather as well. And the best part is they are now a whole lot cheaper. So definitely the Nike Dunk Low Kentucky and the Syracuse, by the way, these are a cop. Do not forget, by the way, to check out my TikTok and Instagram. I'm pretty active on both those platforms as well. And if you haven't already checked out my podcast, what are you waiting for? It's the best sneaker podcast out there, the Kickback Pod, available on all streaming platforms. Links are in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting the channel, and I will see you guys next time.